In today's video, we're going to be working on this corner, getting that pocket, closing panel in, and fixing that corner. What have I done off camera? We got this one welded in. As you remember last time, I run out of welding wire, so I got some welding wire. Welded that in. I think it looks pretty good. Hopefully I didn't really mess up this too bad, because I kind of shaved that metal just a little bit, but to make it kind of contour, but it actually turned out pretty good. It's all primered up, ready to go. I know I will have to clean some back again to weld the heel board on, but yeah, turned out real well. Spot welds look real good. This panel looks real good. It's a little wavy, but it's not too bad. Ain't nothing a little bit of body filler can't fix, but yeah, we're gonna work on this corner over here. I'll swing you back when I find something interesting. Alrighty guys, I'm back. I found my first hurdle. This metal right here is just barely hanging on with a thread. So it looks like I'm gonna have to make a patch repair for this. It's unfortunate, but luckily it's kind of a little bit flat, so it shouldn't be too awful hard to maneuver in there. What I might end up doing is cutting it out and then putting it in with the closing panel. That way I'm not making a mess out of it. But yeah, I'll bring you back when I get it all cleaned up. So I cleaned it back a little bit, and it's not as bad as I thought it was. Got a little corner here. What I think I'm going to do is actually just cut it out and then put the panel in, put the closing panel in, and then I'll make that piece when the closing panel's in. But yeah, it didn't turn out as bad as I thought it was going to. It's not bad at all. I think I can work with it. But yeah, I'll bring you back when I find something else new. Hey guys, we're back. I got this corner fitted in. I got my line a little thick over here, which is kind of disappointing. But it's all lined up. Lines are real good right there. This lip needs to be worked once I get it welded in here, because it's all out of whack, because they just didn't bend it good when they made the panel. I had a little bit more rust in this side than when I did the other side, so I had to do a little bit of cleaning back. One thing I did notice is there's a little pothole right there, so I'm gonna have to fill that in. But yeah, it's overall pretty good. I mean, the profile's pretty good on it. This makes me nervous when I had to do anything like this, because I'm not a professional by all means, so learning every day. So hopefully it turns out good once I weld it in. I'm going to take my sweet time on this one so I don't warp the metal real bad. But yeah, let's get this thing tacked in and see what it looks like. Hey guys, we're back. I got this panel in. It turned out swimmingly. I like it a lot. The one thing I did find is I do got one little dent right there, which I do not know why, but everything else turned out real good. I got one little I might be able to take the dolly and smack it out from the other side. But yeah, turned out awesome. Next thing is the closing panel. We'll bring it back whenever I get something in. Okay guys, we're back. We got this thing set in here. Getting ready to weld it. It doesn't fit quite as nice as the other one did, but we'll make it look nice once we get done. But basically doing the same thing, weld bead here, weld bead here. Gotta make a little patch panel for right there. I already went ahead and spot welded it in place here so that it kind of holds it. That spot welder weighs 900 pounds. It's gonna be fun putting this boot floor in because it weighs a ton. But yeah, let's get some welding done. I'll bring you back when I get her finished. Alrighty guys, we're back. Well, I just realized I forgot to do that. I'll do that off camera. Got it all welded in, sanded back. Fully waterproof now, as far as I can tell. Probably better than what it was from the factory. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. Cleaned that up, put a new little panel in there. Can't even tell it was not even missing. Looks pretty good. I might have to put a little bit of weld right there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I gotta clean this lip back just a little bit, and then I'm gonna throw it in primer, but this is gonna be the end of this video here. Probably the next thing on the list is tackling this tackling this floor, or this seat back. It's gonna be fun. I'm not looking forward to it. But alrighty, I'll talk to y'all later.